You can see two different couplings, a simple jaw coupling, and this is a KAFA technology double disc coupling. This is a KAFA technology double disc coupling. This is a high-precision power transmission coupling which connects two rotating shafts and adjusts angular, parallel and axial misalignment accurately. That is why it is used in our CNC machine. Our KAFA technology double disc coupling ensures perfect alignment. For this, we use it in AC servo machine. KAFA technology double disc coupling has a strong double metal disc design, which is capable of carrying high torque and ensures perfect alignment. In addition, KAFA technology double disc coupling has a keyway slot, which prevents the coupling from slipping with the ball screw and ensures a stronger connection. And this is a simple jaw coupling. This simple jaw coupling has only a simple rubber or plastic pad in the middle. This rubber can quickly deteriorate and break under excessive pressure or high torque. Also, this simple jaw coupling does not have a keyway slot, so there is a possibility of the coupling slipping with the ball screw. You can see the couplings of two different sizes and weights. The simple jaw coupling weighs only 126 grams, and the KAFA technology double disc coupling weighs 242 grams. Due to its heavy weight, strong construction, metal disc design and keyway slot, the KAFA technology double disc coupling ensures long-lasting, stable and high performance. So you can always choose KAFA technology double disc coupling for long-lasting durability, perfect alignment and maximum performance of your machine.